Wow, this is so audible, this is so clear. Have you ever recorded a perfect video only to find out that there's annoying background noise messing it all up? Wait, don't delete it yet. In this video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can remove unwanted background noise from your video with just your phone and CapCut. No extra tools needed. Whether it is fan noise, traffic, noise during audio. But what if I told you CapCut has an hidden feature where you can remove all this noise with just a tap? Watch till the end of this video and I will teach you exactly how you can remove unwanted sound from your video with just a tap. If you are visiting us for the first time, please hit that like button right now, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't have to miss any of our video. All you need for this is just your smartphone and CapCut. So this is time. If you have CapCut in your phone, good and fine, but if you don't, head over to your Play Store and download CapCut, because I will be showing you how to remove unwanted sound from your video right now. So let's continue from here. Go straight to your CapCut app, enter the app. Once you enter the CapCut app, if you already have an existing project you want to remove the noise, good and fine, but if you don't, start a new project. When you start a new project, you select which audio do you want to edit. So let's tap on this over here, then we import. When you import your project on your timeline, then you play it. When you play it, you get to find out that there is noise in the background.
This is a wife with young and I'm here with
Choma.
Shoma.
Yes.
Is that like your nickname or what?
A real name.
Your Vini. You have a nickname.
But I cannot say it. No.
So when you watch a video like this, you'll be hearing the voice is very loud and clear. But if you look closely, you will hear that there is other noise, like there are other background sound. Although in this video I use the mic that has this voice cancellation, but if your mic do not have a voice cancellation, how do you remove all this sound from your video? So now your video is on the timeline. You just have to understand that there is just a key, just one tap right now, you remove all the noise in this background and you'll be hearing your voice audible and clear. So and where do you get that tap? You scroll at this down side. All you have to do is scroll and you'll be looking for what are you looking for? You are looking for noise reduction. So when you scroll this way, you will not find it. How do you see it? You tap on the timeline, the video you import on the timeline, so CapCut will know you want to work on the project. You don't just be at this menu here and be looking for it. You can't see it, so you tap on the timeline. After tapping on the timeline, you scroll. So towards the ending of this place is where you usually find it. You see it over here, reduce noise. So once you tap on this, slider, automatically CapCut does its thing. CapCut will automatically start removing every fishy noise, people talking, traffic, fan blowing. This video is outdoors, so you must understand that there are other people in the background, some playing basketball, some moving around, some driving bicycle. So automatically CapCut will eliminate all noise, even vehicles moving and all the rest. So once you tap it on, all you have to do is click the check mark and that's it. So after tapping on this noise reduction, you come to find out that the difference between your normal voice and now, like before and after, you come to understand that there is a big difference.
Hey guys, it's a wife with young and I'm here with
Choma.
Shoma.
Yeah.
Are you seeing how audible now the voice is? Before now you'll be hearing some fishy noise over there, but now we have used the noise reduction and the video is so clean. So but if you say, okay, I'm not using a good mic as this, how do I know that this noise reduction can do the whole work? Let me help you. There is another tools in this app that you can also use to enhance your voice. Is it that you call it voice enhancement or you call it enhanced voice? And where do you find it? You tap on the timeline and you scroll. You see it over here, you just right here. So you tap on enhance voice. You click on the slider. But what it's showing over here, say can't enhance voice clip over 15 minutes, over 15 seconds, I guess, over 15 minutes. So this video is more than 15 minutes. This is 16.82 minutes. So what do? Let's cut out some part of this video. So let me leave this video at 1 minute. So when you get to 1 minute, I tap on split and I delete. So right now this video is automatically 1 minute video. So let's go back and try out the voice enhancement so we can see how audible the voice can come out. So you tap on the clip again, so you tap on it, enhance voice, you click on the slider over here and
Hey guys,
it will be doing the things.
I'm here with
Are you seeing how the voice is coming out? So even if you don't have a good mic, you can use this. Let me take the volume down. So even if you don't have a good mic, you can use these features in CapCut and enhance your volume. And when you post your video, people will be like, ah, your mic is so clear, I can hear your voice really clearly. Even if you want to use the auto caption effect on this video right now, you see the AI will pick everything word by word without making any mistake. But if they can't hear your voice clearly, even your viewers will be like, ah, I can't hear what you are saying, no, we don't understand you. Thereby you'll be losing your viewers. But when after posting your video, everybody can hear you clearly and audible, then you'll be having more click through it and having more followers, subscribers and everything. So all you have to do is just learn to understand these key features on how to reduce noise from your video, how to enhance your voice, how to increase your volume. These are little features you just need to understand, put into your content creating, your video editing, and boom. So I think it just clicked successful. It just completed, and let's hear it.
Hey guys, it's a boy Freething and I'm here with
Choma.
Ishoma.
Yes.
Is that like your nickname?
Wow, this is so audible, this is so clear. So these are a few updates you need to understand on how to remove background noise and enhance your voice. After removing the background noise, they increase your own voice. I haven't even increased this volume. So the third tips I will be showing you is on increasing your volume. So after you do this, the top magic is you tap on the project, then you took the volume, you increase it again.
Hey guys, it's a boy Freething and I'm here with
Choma.
After someone hear this volume, you'll be like, wow, this is so audible. So some people will even ask you, how do you record this? Just imagine using your phone, because I talk about how to use your phone as a mic. I created a video about it. You can check it up on my channel, how to use your phone as a mic. So if you use your phone as a mic as well, you can increase your volume, reduce noise, and you'll find out that your phone will be sounding so perfect, more than even a microphone. So yes, you don't even need a microphone if you just need to understand these few tips I'm teaching you. Now you don't have to worry about noise running over your video ever again. If this video help you, hit that like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't have to miss any of our videos. This is Freething. See you on our next video. Bye.